Imagine controlling a robotic arm with nothing but your thoughts. This is Neuralink, and they are turning that vision into reality, restoring mobility lost to spinal cord injury or disease. Watch as a clinical trial participants use a high-bandwidth brain interface to direct an assistive robotic arm.
The Convoy team is the team at Neuralink that's working on assistive robotic devices controlled by the brain implant to be able to turn on a light switch, open the fridge, take care of yourself, physical independence in the real world.
This is the assistive robotic arm, or ARA. So the way I'm controlling the robotic arm here is using a VR controller to simulate what our participants might actually feel like when they're controlling a robotic arm. What I'm doing right now is an example of the kind of task we'd have our participants do when we go out and test this in the field. These are common functional dexterity tests used by occupational therapists in order to rate people's ability to do simple tasks in the real world. Now, we hope that with ARA, we'll be able to do most, if not all of these tasks as good as you or I could. We run sessions almost every day in order to find new ways to improve control and make this a more usable and consistent experience.